or a method of separation as well as a method of purification. The best example is seawater and sugar candy. We know that seawater contains salts which is dissolved in it, and the salts can be separated from a seawater by the process of evaporation. We have already studied what is meant by evaporation. The process of evaporation is not a good technique because soluble impurities, that is the dirty particles, do not removed in the process of evaporation. So we are using that in a crystallization. The process of separation or a method of purification is called crystallization. Still now we have seen about physical changes. Now let us learn about chemical changes. Changes that occur with transformation of new substance. In a physical changes, always the new substance will be formed. Let us see some of the characteristics of chemical change. Always in chemical change, the new substance, one or two new substance will be formed. A heat, light or any other radiation may be given off or observed. The radiation will be absorbed by a chemical changes. The color may also change. The gases may also form. It may also produce sound. The best example is rusting of iron, which we have seen in the starting. Rusting of iron. The iron particles can be prevented by using a contact with oxygen, water or water vapor. Rusting is one of the major change that affects iron particles and slowly destroy them. Since iron is used in making bridges, ships, cars, truck bodies and other articles. Children, do you all know the important fact which is taken place in Delhi? The iron pillar which is there in Delhi. It is 1600 years of age. The iron pillar, even if it is raining, it will not get rusted because the Indian scientists had made the great advance in metal technology in the 16th century. It has a grade and quality of iron. Curdling of milk. Curdling is a process in which liquid gradually turns into solid. For example, take hot milk in a pan and add a few drops of curd in it. A few minutes later, you can see a solid smashes which is formed in a pan. Fermentation is the process in which microorganisms such as yeast and certain bacteria break down sugar solution into alcohol and carbon dioxide. The best example is Italy is an example for irreversible change. Batter to produce Italy is an example for irreversible change. This is called fermentation. Louis Pasteur, a chemist and microbiologist from France, was the first person to describe about the process of fermentation. He described the fermentation occurs in the absence of air and the presence of microorganism. Let us see chemical reaction of baking soda with lemon. When baking soda and lemon juice are mixed together, the bubbles of carbon dioxide are formed, along with the formation of salt and water. Take a 10 ml of lemon juice and add a pinch of baking soda to it. Actually, when we mix a baking soda with lemon juice, we will hear a hissing sound. A bubble of carbon dioxide coming out and rising the reaction vessel. The example of endothermic and exothermics are given below, and how the particles of solid, liquid and gaseous are arranged in contraction and expansion. This will become a solid becomes heated, it becomes a liquid. A liquid cooled on contraction, it becomes a freezing point. A particle of a gas cooled on contraction, it becomes a liquid, that is called condensation. Finally, let us know what is periodic and non-periodic change. Periodic changes. Changes that repeat themselves after a definite interval of time is called periodic change. The great example is a beating of a heart. Non-periodic change. Changes that do not repeat themselves after a definite interval of time. It will occur randomly, that is called non-periodic change. For example, earthquake. It will not happen again and again. Example, volcano. This is called periodic changes. I hope you all understood about the lesson changes around us. Thank you, students.